ecstatic because my mouth is now bubbling. Yes! Joy!
Ay, wala na yung third bata.
How did he do
Ay, Ginoo! Sige, balik
It's
na
related.
tayo. Yes! Asa na po?
It's related.
Number of children.
Like
When you try to fill up, number din na inyong butang. Butangan na ng children dire for you to understand na mao na siya ang number of children na butang. Ha? And then, when you write numbers, it must be in Roman numeral. Do not spell it out. Ha? Write the numbers in Filipino and not spell it out. Yes. If wala trabaho, yan you are you mean yung spouse? No, ako. Ano mo? Ano mo apply? Understand ba? Wala ka word.
Magbain ako. TikTok.
Pwede ka magutang o unemployed. Nan. Pwede ka nan. Dili ka magutang o NA because NA is not applicable. Applicable na nanin mo labi na kung babae ka. Anytime of the day or anytime of the year, pwede ka mag-voltage. When you say not applicable, dili na dyan ka kanimo. Dili yun na rin mo masudlan. Ha? Nabita ha. So, nan kung wala ka, pero makakaya na rin mo ma-enroll later on, nan is the answer. But if wala ka, then if yun na rin mo kaya i-provide ang data for the rest of your life, wala NA, not applicable. Yes, Mikay. So, walang kihapon, yung parenthesis disease. Ini namatay. Yes. You can correct, okay na siya kay wala pa na may attach na birth certificate. But later on, nag-antay requirements, i-import yung mga company na silang ma-hire na ka. Sorry to say, I have finally na-misspell my name dito sa kayo data. Okay, next. Shall we proceed? Cannabis yes. Okay, next. Anhin na tayo sa father's name. Nestor and Estudio. Then dapat siyang name is ang iyang occupation. Taxi driver. Yes. Oh. Mother's name. Occupation. Wala pa siya yung trabaho.
Sana all ay
Yes, na component kay ang inyong
Ako rin, ang alam mo,
education background. Okay, elementary.
elementary school.
They graduated
2004 to 2005.
2004, 2005. Next, secondary.
High school.
Please pay attention. Stop doing anything. Buhiin na tanan yung igunitan. Buhiin na ikusan na tanan yung igunitan. Magtabik pagalit ko, wala yung magbibit isa-isa. I want your 100% attention. Do not divide your attention between me and what you like to do. Okay. Here. Yes, that's the date. But there are forms na must-reach siya sa specific date. Sa yata ni mga date, for example. Mauna, you have to take down notes. Ha? Dapat, starting talo natin po ito, may nanonood. Tanan na importante ng information nila. You have yun na i-record. Starting taron, grade 6 man mo. Sa inyong nilinote po, iutapin na ninyo
Audit.
Yes, I have. Yan ako may notebook, taas na tayo. Ano man, sumbayan naman siya sa P number, SSS number, passport number, DP number, blood type. Tanang mo rin nanin, importante mo na sit down. Pero na may tinapan, hindi ko mabalog. Sa si mama kayo sa birthday, ma. Name of mother, birthday. Ibutang na, siblings, birthday. Ibutang na sa pamilya.
Di mo sa teacher, what if all your life your mother never told you your birthday and also you forgot your birthday? What are you gonna do?
Again,
Pero, Papa.
be honest and give the correct data. So if you have no choice, you don't know the data of the parents or your mother, do not put. Kaysa magbutang ko wrong data na dili, insakto. It is safer na wala na lang may ibutang and then you explain later than to give incorrect data. You put the total number of your siblings niya. You indicate kung pinakabukat disease. Again, with parentheses. Yes?
Wala ka nakato sa college.
Okay, good question. What if teacher, wala ka nakato sa college? Kung saan tayo kumikita sa ibang education?